Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel, and I am Atanu Vital, and in this video lecture we discuss about the topic that effect of temperature on Kw or the ionic product of water. What is the effect of change of temperature on ionic product of water or Kw? We know that the ionic product expression Kw equal to H plus into OH minus equal to 10 to the power minus 14 at 25 degree centigrade temperature. So this is the Kw value, means 10 to the power minus 14 mole per liter whole square. Mole per liter mean together called mole per liter whole square. So Kw value for temperature 25 degree centigrade for water is 10 to the power minus 14 mole per liter whole square. But with increase in temperature, Kw value increases with increase in temperature. Kw value increases with increase in temperature. We explain why the Kw value increases with increase in temperature. This is the important to know. This is important to know that with the increase of temperature, Kw value increases, and now we have to explain that why Kw value increases with increase in temperature. It is Kw value is directly proportional to temperature. See, water is a very weak electrolyte. Water is a very weak electrolyte. So with rise of temperature, the ionization of water to H plus and OH minus, or you can say H2O to H3O plus and OH minus. Water is a very weak electrolyte, so degree of ionization of water increases with rise in temperature. Degree of ionization of water increases with rise in temperature. With rise in temperature, the degree of ionization of water increases. So that means more products form with rise in temperature. So as a result, the ionic product, as the concentration of H plus ion and OH minus ion are increasing with rise in temperature, that time Kw is suppose Kw at 22 degree centigrade, Kw is 1 into 10 to the power minus 14 mole per liter whole square, and at 25 degree centigrade Kw value is 1.0008 into 10 to the power minus 14 mole per liter whole square. So this is the effect of change in temperature for Kw value. Kw value with rise of 3 degree centigrade rise of temperature, Kw value is increased to 1.008 into 10 to the power minus 4 from 1.00. Okay, So with rise in temperature, the Kw value increases due to the increase of the ionization of water. With increase of ionization of water, the H plus ion and OH minus ion in water increases. Molar concentration of H plus ion and OH minus ion in water increases with rise in temperature. As a result, the ionic product is increases. Ionic product is the product of the concentration of H plus ion and OH minus ion. So this is another important way to think about the effect of temperature, that we are seeing that molar concentration of H plus and molar concentration of OH minus equal to Kw. So Kw is the product of the concentration of H plus ion and concentration of OH minus ion. So in case of increase of the concentration of H plus ion and concentration of OH minus ion, the product increases with rise of the any one of this concentration or both of the concentration. So Kw increases with increase of rise of this concentration term, and we know that water is a weak electrolyte. Its degree of ionization increases with increase in temperature. So for this reason Kw increases with rise in temperature. That is the discussions I wanted to clear this point, that Kw for water with rise of temperature, what does it means, it increases or decreases with rise in temperature. I wanted to clear this topic. Thank you for watching this video, and if you find this video useful, then like this video and subscribe this channel, and if you like to watch the other videos related to the pH or other topics in chemistry, then you can simply just playlist, open the playlist from this channel and watch the chapter wise videos, or different videos that are already uploaded in this channel.